Hi students, you're all doing fine. Students, in the last recorded session we discussed about koala bear and it belonged to the family called marsupials. We did that also. In today's class we shall be continuing the prose, unit 3. Koalas hardly drink any water. They get all the water they need from the leaves they eat. As I told you, they would eat it eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus trees. They would sit there and they would eat it, the eucalyptus trees. And eucalyptus trees were very poisonous trees. And they would eat that one, and God has been blessed for these animals with that digestive system where they could not only digest the leaves but also the poisonous leaves of eucalyptus trees. And eucalyptus trees, the speciality of these trees, they had so much of water in those leaves, and the koalas, whatever the water they needed from, they would get it from the eucalyptus trees. And however, in a very hot days, they do search for water to drink. When it comes for summer, they do drink for waters to drink it. And there is a koala story that the koala drank from a 5 waters water bottle. In Australia, there are many stories we hear, we get to hear that the koalas are waiting for the water, and the people, they would feed them. They would provide with water bottles, and there is a story that once the koala had drank the water from 5 fires water bottle. And as there are many heat waves, or when it's very hot summer, the human beings provide water for koalas. The koala's baby is called a joy. The koala's baby is called a joy. The young one, जो कोला का बच्चा होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Joy बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? Joy. When it is born, it is hairless and earless. It is hairless, यानी उस joy को बाल नहीं रहते, and they are earless. ना ही कान रहते हैं. The speciality is that the baby koalas or the joy will not have hair as well as the ear, and it is also blind. It is also blind. During this time, it is carried by mother in her pouch for about 6 months. As I told you, the koalas, the female koalas have pouches. The female koalas would have just a small drawing. They would have the pouches here, and the joy or the baby koala will be in the pouches for 6 months. For how many months? For 6 months. The mother would carry the baby koala or the joy in her pouch for how many months? For 6 months. And its ears, eyes and fur begin to grow when it remains close to its mother body. See, as I told, they are hairless, they are earless, and they are blind. Whenever they are in her mother's pouch, whenever the baby koalas are in female koalas' pouches, then the hair, the ear, as well as the fur, as well as the eyes appears in that span of time in about 6 months. At this time, a joy only drinks milk. At this time, they only drink milks of mother. When it finally comes out, it right on its mother back and cling on her belly. See, it right like this. And they would also cling her mother's back. It goes everywhere with her for almost a year. For another half year, they would go along with the mother. Then it comes out and begins to explore the area where its mothers live. In the surrounding where the mother would live, they would explore that area. It starts eating. Then after 1 year, they start eating eucalyptus trees. They start eating eucalyptus trees. Earlier, hunters used to kill koalas, take off the fur and send it to Europe and United States. Earlier, like what they used to do in the sense, they would kill koalas, they would stab them or they would kill them, and then they would take the fur and send it to Europe and United States. They would send it to Europe and United States. And they would send it to United States. The population of koalas has decreased. These days, the population of the koalas is decreasing day by day, as cities grows, the eucalyptus trees are cut down. We human beings are very selfish. For our purpose, for our thing, what we are doing, we are destroying, we are cutting down the trees, and we are cutting n number of eucalyptus trees where the koalas would survive. As the trees are decreasing, the population of koalas are also decreasing day by day. जैसे जैसे झाड़ों की तादाद कम हो रही है, कौन से पेड़ की, यूकैलिप्टस पेड़ की, वैसे वैसे कोला की तादाद भी बहुत कम हो रही है. Forest disappears and in their place grows towns and cities. They would destroy the forest and there they would build the cities. In this way, the home of the koalas is taken over by the human beings. It's very sad reality that for our comforts, we are destroying somebody's home and we are building our homes. Koalas are often attacked by dogs. Sometimes they are killed in traffic accidents. See, they are very much attacked by the dogs, and sometimes when they are on the roads for searching for water or food, then they would die in the road accidents. जब भी वो खाने की तलाश में या तो फिर पानी की तलाश में जंगल से बाहर आते हैं, तब वो रोड एक्सीडेंट्स में मर जाते हैं. कभी कभी कुत्ते उनको फाड़ के खा जाते हैं. Every year there are less koalas, क्योंकि जब हम एक फॉरेस्ट को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं, तब वो जगह पर जहां पर कोला रहना चाहिए था, वहां पर हम लोग अपना घर बना रहे हैं, किसी के घर को बर्बाद करके. हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, हम इंसान, जानवरों की जगह हम ले रहे हैं. The Australian government have now put up on the koalas a list of endangered animals. In the last session also I told you meaning of endangered animals. मतलब कुछ ही दिनों में या आगे के चंद दिनों में उनकी तादाद जो है completely खत्म हो जाएगी. And Australian government has put this koalas on endangered list. On endangered list. On endangered list. And koalas are now looked after by the government. They cannot hunt the koalas now. कोई इंसान उनको फर के लिए नहीं मार सकता. They cannot be kept as pets. घर पर नहीं रख सकते. Their homes are not to be destroyed. कोई भी उनके घर को तबाह व बर्बाद नहीं कर सकता. We too can protect endangered animals. We normal human beings, normal people can also protect koalas. How in this sense? We must spread the message that it is human beings who are destroying the homes of the animals. It is we only know who are destroying. Who cuts the trees? Human beings cut the trees. Who kills animals? Human beings kills animals. For what sake? For our sake. We should stop doing all these things. We should firstly avoid cutting of trees, because trees are very, very important for a balanced in nature. When it is less amount of oxygen to survive, then we really have to face a lot. So we human beings have to protect animals. We have to protect the trees. We must let animals live peacefully in their natural habitat. जहां पर वो खुश है उनके घर पर, हमें उनके घर को तबाह व बर्बाद करने की बजाय हम लोग उनको रहने देना चाहिए खुशी से. People who listen to us will know that animals have been put on this earth for a reason. As we make sure that we are comfortable, we should also make sure that animals are also allowed to live in their homes. Let us protect all God's creature as we protect ourselves. जिस तरीके से हम अपने आप को बचाते हैं, उसी तरीके से हम लोगों को जानवरों की भी हिफाजत करनी चाहिए, as well as पेड़ पौधों की भी हिफाजत करनी चाहिए. We cannot destroy their homes for our needs and comforts. अगर हम लोगों को कोई फर्नीचर चाहिए, तो हम इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप you have to destroy the forest. We must also think that we should leave the plants to live it peacefully. We should also leave the animals, because plants, animals, we human beings are all created by God Himself. How we are protecting? See, if something happens to our children, we'll fight to that an extent. What do the animals have to do? Whom they can fight for? Like, where do I have to fight for? Can they ask the government, like, has the God given them the tongue that, okay, government, please help us? If we kill an animal, we feel like, okay, chalo, it's just an animal. We should not be like that. We should not be selfish. हम लोग समाज में सुधार ला सकते हैं. Only we people can change it. You children are tomorrow's citizens of this country. आज छोटे हैं, कल आप बड़े बनोगे. तब आपको क्या करना चाहिए कि आपको इन तमाम चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हाँ, हम लोगों की इनकी हिफाजत करनी है. आप करोगे ना? यस. एटलीस्ट आप अपने घर के सामने एक पेड़ उगाइए, एक पौधा डालिए. आप कोई भी जानवर है तो आप उसे हिफाजत करने की कोशिश करिए. Go through the chapter once. Later on I will send you the notes. If you have any doubt, you can just contact me through WhatsApp. Till that one, stay home, stay blessed. Bye bye.